Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your preferences in Mailchimp, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Mailchimp website. Log into your Mailchimp account. Once logged in, locate the profile icon in the top right corner. Click on the profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. Select Account from the menu options. In the Account settings, find and click on the Settings tab. From the Settings menu, select Preferences. You will now see various options related to your preferences. Review each section to identify the settings you want to reset. To reset a specific preference, locate that option. Click on the relevant button or link to edit the setting. Make your desired changes to the preferences. After updating, scroll down to find the Save button. Click the Save button to apply your changes. If you wish to reset all preferences, note that you may need to adjust each setting individually. Once all changes are made, confirm that they reflect accurately in your settings. Exit the Preferences menu by clicking back on the main account menu. Your preferences in Mailchimp are now reset as per your adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.